Hello everyone, myself Fazul Haq and I am joining FPM at IIM Lucknow in the operations management area. Prior to this, I did my BTech in manufacturing engineering from National Institute of Foundry and Forge Technology in 2018, and after that I worked for a manufacturing MNC in Pune handling mostly the process control and process improvement areas along with the shop floor trials related with the new product development. As I had previously worked on several projects related to operations management and I was associated with some faculty consultancy projects when I was the coordinator at Industrial License Cell during my education. So I had that inclination towards the research in the field of operations management. Also, I tried to publish one article, one research paper, but unfortunately I was not succeeded. So I had this intent to apply for this course, and I chose CAT as the qualifying examination. Now coming to my interview experience, I applied to a total of 14 IMs and got interview calls from 12 of them. So in total I appeared to the interviews of 8 IMs. Overall it was a very learning experience. The interviews were very random and unpredictable. I was asked questions from everything related to my prior education, work experience, SOP and domain knowledge. Some generic questions which I faced in almost every interview were firstly brief introduction, why PhD and why not masters first, why from IIMs and not from IITs, why chose CAT as the qualifying examinations and not GATE as I was from engineering background, about FPM course structure, about the research interests of the faculties teaching at that institute. Some other questions which I was asked in some of the interviews was what is the process of publishing an article in some reputed research journals, about my daily reading habits and daily routine, what I am doing currently after quitting my job, and some of the institute specific questions I was asked in the 8 interviews which I faced this year. So in IIM Calcutta, mostly the questions were about motivation and research interests. In Calcutta, questions were asked from class 12th level mathematics. I was asked questions from calculus as well as functions. So the next interview was IIM Udaipur. I was mostly I was grilled in that interview from my resume and my SOP. Questions were from statistics, matrix and calculus. Also it was the interview was of 3 rounds. I was sent 2 research papers which I was asked in the third round of the interview. Mostly it was a discussion kind of thing on the research methodology used in one of these papers, and also the limitations of that paper and what could be done to improve mostly on those papers. So the next interview was IIM Trichy. It was 2-round interview. The first round was area specific. Mostly I was asked questions on my projects and prior work experience. The second round was taken by the FPM committee, and it was a HR based questions, mostly about the interests and motivations, reading habits, and what will you do if not selected in this course. The next interview was IIM Kashipur. So that was a very brief interview, only about 10 minutes interview was there, and in that I was asked questions mostly from my previous projects. The next interview was of IIM Raipur. That was a very detailed interview for about 30 minutes. Mostly the discussions deep discussions took place on all my projects, domain knowledge and research recent researches on that fields. So the next interview was IIM Visakhapatnam. It was mostly the same as IIM Raipur interview, and moreover the discussions took place on research proposal and counter questions related on that. The next interview which I gave was of IIM Kozhikode. So that started directly from the research proposals and counter questions from that, though also statistical questions were asked, like how would you use the statistical techniques in that research. Some questions were asked from inventory management and also they ask about the some name of the journals in the operations management area, and discuss one article, so if you have read from one of those journals. So the next the last interview was that of IIM Lucknow. In that I was asked questions from research proposal, so some counter questions on that, means my flexibility of research areas, so if I am flexible enough or I am rigid on one topic, and also was asked of the related research interest of all the faculties teaching in that institute. So over and all the interview was very learning experience. For preparation I used online lectures from NPTEL, as well as YouTube lectures, related area books, and for research articles, for reading the research articles I used Google Scholar and ResearchGate to get some insight about the current researches in the area being done by the faculties of different IIMs, as well as the foreign faculties. So in the first 6 interviews I was not selected, so I thought that maybe this year I am not, my preparation is not that good enough, so so I was taking a chance such that I will be appearing the next year. But one thing I was constantly doing I was writing down my shortcomings of every interview, and was trying to improve myself before the on those shortcomings I was trying to improve before the next interview, and that helped me a lot, and that resulted me getting the offer from both IIM Kozhikode and IIM Lucknow. So some points I would like to share with the future aspirants. First one, for the qualifying examination, choose the qualifying examinations as per your comfort. There is no anything that one examination is preferred over other. All of the qualifying examinations are preferred, they consider it equally, so choose it as per your comfort and try to score well. Second, related to the SOP, for preparation of SOP, focus on your research interest and take a look at the research areas which the faculties of that current institute they are taking upon. So don't write anything in your SOP to make it look attractive, as this will be the basis over which you will be questioned in the interview. So for interviews, the third point, so for interviews, be thorough with what you have done earlier, what you have written in your SOP, your research proposal, but plus some basic statistics, business statistics. You have to brush upon the theories and applicability on your research, as well as the research taking place at that institute or in your area. So for selection, more than the profile or qualifying score, the thing that matters most is having the right attitude, passion for research, and ability to project the same to the panel members. So you take your time during the interview, don't panic, and try to express yourself effectively. So never lose patience and work continuously towards your goal. So that will be from my side, and stay safe and all the best for your research journey. Thank you.